We recently caught up with the Seneca students that help with the annual blood drive.
So I work the canteen, so basically after people give blood, they come over to this mat and we give them food, water, and snacks, and they have to sit there for like 15 to 20 minutes. And when their timer's up and they're all good and they feel okay, then we escort them back to their classes.
Of course, no blood drive can be successful without its donors.
I'm giving 2 pints of my blood, just getting ready to do what's right and do what's good for the people.
Good cause, man. It's great. Like, they're saving lives here today, right? And if we can be a part of that, like, that's awesome, right?
As the chair of the event, I'm making sure everything running smoothly. Everyone's in their designated destinations, and making sure our donors are feeling okay after they donate their pint or pints of blood, and just hoping everything goes safely and everyone has a good time.